American Honda unveiled the 2025 Grom, showcasing revised aesthetics and additional accessories. This signifies the third redesign of the Grom, which is notable in the industry, having only been introduced in 2014. The original Grom initiated Honda's MiniMoto series of compact motorcycles. The fourth-generation Grom undergoes a comprehensive redesign, featuring entirely new bodywork. In the latest model, Honda adopted sharper edges and angular lines, in contrast to the previous generation's softer corners and expansive circular fastener openings. The 2025 model features more understated fasteners but maintains the Grom's tradition of customization, consisting of 4 easily detachable bodywork panels. Notwithstanding the updated appearance, the 2025 Grom closely resembles its predecessor. The engine is a 123.9 cubic centimeters air-cooled SOHC 2-valve 4-stroke, featuring a single-cylinder inclined 80 degrees forward from vertical. It also maintains the 5-speed gearbox and wet multiplate clutch. The suspension remains unaltered, featuring a 31mm inverted fork that provides 4.3 inches of travel and a single rear shock with 4.1 inches of travel. The front wheel is fitted with a dual-piston caliper and a 220mm disc, whereas the rear is equipped with a single-piston caliper and a 190mm disc. Honda will once more provide 3 variants: the standard base model, an SP model featuring an undercowl, and a version equipped with an IMU-controlled front-wheel ABS. In 2025, Honda introduced several new accessories, including soft luggage alternatives. The 2025 Grom base model is priced at $3,599 and is available in candy blue, pearl white, or cherry red. The Grom SP is exclusively offered in matte black metallic and is priced at $3,699. The Grom ABS increases the price to $3,799 and is exclusively available in pearl white. Disregard your preconceptions regarding size and power, as the 2025 Honda Grom has once more redefined the standards. It is not merely an excellent ride, it is an exhilarating experience in a compact form. This year's updated MiniMoto features a redesigned sleek body and offers 3 options: the standard Grom in candy blue, pearl white, and cherry red, the Grom ABS in pearl white with advanced front-wheel anti-lock brakes, and the Grom SP in matte black metallic with distinctive graphics. This sport motorcycle features easily interchangeable body panels, allowing for customization and creativity on wheels. Prepare yourself, as joyrides have become even more delightful.